Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Joe from Manila Bites. My husband started NOOM 5 days ago and going strong. So he found this recipe from the app that he wanted me to make. So today we're gonna make shrimp biryani, and the ingredients we need: shrimp, 1 cup, and deveined, green peas, 1 cup of rice, cayenne powder to taste, potato, carrots, onion, ginger, jalapeno, and coriander for garnish, curry powder, minced garlic, oil, coriander, yogurt, 1 can diced tomato, and all ingredients measurement amount in the descriptions box. So let's get started. Hey guys, we're done cooking, and usually my husband will
I'm the taste tester.
taste tester, because he requested this recipe.
I've been doing NOOM for about 5 days, and so far I'm liking it quite a bit. I've learned some stuff, and I did some exploring on the app yesterday and found that they had recipes, and they had this shrimp biryani recipe. Now the only difference that we changed up on the recipe is she put more rice in it because she likes rice. So I'll just eat a little bit less, but it smells amazing. It's been smelling amazing ever since she started cooking it. When she started cutting the fresh vegetables, it was great. So what do we want to, you want me to just try it?
Yeah.
All right.
Gladly.
So I'm gonna get some carrot. I can see carrot, rice, shrimp is in there, deveined shrimp. Cut tomatoes. We got some fresh jalapeno around the side. I'm gonna hold off on that for now, and some cilantro on top. It looks delicious. Smells good. Let's see. I said the cilantro. Yeah. Oh, peas. There's peas in here too.
Yeah, green peas.
I love peas.
Here we go.
Oh yeah. Have you tried it?
No, I haven't tried it.
You need to try it. It is really good.
I just
Man, if that's a NOOM meal that and I can eat it, and it's called, like, I guess it's a green meal, that'd be fine. I love it. So
now I'll try it. Good.
yeah, the shrimp is perfectly cooked.
And the shrimp, now I will try shrimp.
There's a little pea. Another successful meal by Jobelle and Manila Bites. Very good. Follow the instructions. Good job, Joe. Love you.
Love you. Guys, if you're not yet subscribed, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you will be notified for the next video. So bye bye.